Welcome home to this beautiful, totally remodeled house. Everything has been updated and replaced. Updated appliances in the kitchen, including a gas stove, recessed lights throughout the house, hardwood floors, fresh carpet, and so much more. 4 nice-sized bedrooms and 2 full baths, and a completely dry, finished basement. And there's so much more. The backyard is fenced and there's a possibility for off-street parking. This beautiful brick townhouse is low maintenance and is in moving condition. The basement is a walkout basement with a full bathroom, new carpet, and space for an office or possibly a small bedroom. Be sure and schedule a time to take a look at this spectacular home. We have an open house here every day with just 3 hours notice. Go to www.3526 Cardenas Avenue and schedule your free private tour. Stop on by.